Hello, this is Ahmed Nsaif, Medical Instrumentation Engineering. Today we are going to go for fast illustration for the patient monitor. Best regards to lecturer Haneen Dhyeaa. Patient monitor is one of the most instrumentation is important in the hospital, which is monitor the patient inside the hospitals. However, we're going to go for this video to see what is the patient monitor. Patient monitor is one of the most important. Let's go for an introduction for it. We have the ECG Pro, nebulizer probe, and oxygen saturation probe, and power cable probe, and also the cuff for the blood pressure and disposable ECG leads, and we have the sensor for the temperature leads. Hence, we're gonna go work out for the patient monitor. First, we're gonna get the cable here in the probe, and after that, we're gonna work the patient monitor that is connected to the patient. We're gonna go for fast illustration. What is the patient contain? This is the most installer for the cables that probe inside for the SpO2 and the ECG electrodes or leads to the patient. First, we're gonna install the leads one by one to one each directs. Leads for the SpO2 and leads for the patient and the sensors as is correct. This patient monitors give a precautions for the patient that has many sensors, such as, let's go for the working. First, we're gonna press on the button for this device as it's mentioned, and each device is the same installer. As it works, we're gonna press for 3 seconds for each device to make it works as it's shown in the video. This animation video shows the probe and also show the installer organization for every patient monitor. Hence, see, when it's worked such as like a system for any system that works. Also the Wi-Fi connecting sometimes in some patient monitors. We have seen here in the video the first part, second part, and the third part. ECG, and the second one is for SpO2. Let's talk about the anatomy for cardiac monitors. Cardiac monitors have such as important anatomy. We have the alarm for the ECG and the heart rate and the blood pressure, O2 saturation inside the blood for the patient as its patient monitor, respiration rate, which is in RPM, vitals records, which is records each calibration for each patient that entire the hospital, and it's important as a medical engineer to register each information for the calibration for each patient inside the hospital. Number 6 is respiratory waveform, which is important to know the waveform for the patient. And O2 for the saturation waveform, and hence the ECG strips, which is leads that connected to the patient. These cardiac monitors are important to know the port and the port proportionation inside the patient monitor. Thanks for watching. This video brought to you by Al-Mansour University College Medical Instrumentation Engineering. Best regards.